To install the Trail Premium Convertible 3/4 cover on your Polaris Matrix snowmobile, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat surface, push the engine stop switch to the off position, turn the key to the off position, and remove the key. Begin by putting the cover over the top of the snowmobile, fitting it over the windshield and around the handlebars. The cover will be marked handlebar. Next, put the cover over the front of the snowmobile. Line up the seam with the front bumper. Tip: use the Polaris logo to help locate the cover on the snowmobile. Then put the hook and loop fastener around the suspension spindles just above the ski. Now connect the straps under the lower suspension arms. After this, pull the cover over the rear of the snowmobile. Connect the rear strap to the left corner of the rear bumper. Then connect the left rear strap to the right corners of the rear bumper. The straps will cross under the tunnel. Continue by pulling the straps tight. Once complete, make sure the cover is placed evenly on the snowmobile. Adjust the windshield straps to gather excess material behind the windshield. The strap should be loose enough to allow material to rest on the hood/windshield when the center side attachments are tightened. Note: the windshield strap must be between the handlebars and the windshield to function properly. Operation: this cover was designed and validated for use on a standard snowmobile trailer. Trailering with the cover installed while in the bed of a pickup truck or on top of a sled deck may result in cover damage. Be sure that all attachment points are fastened properly and cinched down as necessary. When trailering long distances, check for buffeting and retention as needed. Be sure that the gas cap is closed before trailering. To install the Trail Premium Convertible full cover on your Polaris Matrix snowmobile, follow these steps. Note: the convertible cover has a zippered section that can be opened and expanded to accommodate the Lock & Ride Flex M2 passenger seat. Warning: if transporting the snowmobile on a non-enclosed trailer, you must ensure that the cover is properly secured to the snowmobile. If the snowmobile is not equipped with the accessory passenger seat, you must ensure that the expandable section and the fuel access port are zipped closed to minimize the amount of extra material exposed. Failure to comply may allow airflow, vibration, or other factors to cause damage to the cover or snowmobile and may cause the cover to separate from the snowmobile, causing an accident resulting in personal injury or death. Park the vehicle on a flat surface. Push the engine stop switch to the off position. Turn the key to the off position and remove the key. Begin by placing the cover over the windshield and handlebar. Next, place the cover over the front bumper and spindles. Once the cover is fitted over the front portion of the snowmobile, secure the hook and loop spindle straps around the inside of the spindle on both sides of the snowmobile. Now stretch the cover over the rear of the snowmobile. Note: if applicable, open the expandable section per your snowmobile's requirements for proper fit on the snowmobile. Once the cover is fitted over the rear portion of the snowmobile, route the rear strap underneath the tunnel and secure the buckle. After this, adjust the front handlebar/windshield strap to take up excess material between the handlebars and windshield. Continue by checking all straps to ensure proper tension and adjust as necessary. Finally, verify the cover is secure and the fuel access port is fully zip closed before transporting the snowmobile. If there is no passenger seat installed, the expandable portion must also be fully zip closed before transport. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.